Let's get ready for the puppet show.
I gotta find a way into this puppet. Okay, here. Are you ready yet?
Jonathan, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, don't forget your theme song.
Do, 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 do. Who's out there? Who's out there?
There's a little boy, Jonathan, and
Jonathan.
his dad.
I'm the psychic seal. And I'm Mr. Moose. Hello. Hello. How are you today? I'm doing great. What have you been doing in the museum today, Jonathan?
Jonathan has seen some dinosaurs, and he has seen some
We don't
animals.
like the dinosaurs down here.
No, dinosaurs are friendly.
They're not friendly.
Yeah,
They ate my
But
ancestors.
except the long neck one, because that's a good one.
Is that a good one?
Yeah.
I don't know. I've never really met a dinosaur that I liked.
You want to go show him?
Jonathan,
What?
what kind of animal am I?
A moose.
I am a moose. I like to eat all kinds of things.
But except people.
No, I don't eat people. I scare people, and sometimes I crash into their cars, but I don't eat people. Too chewy. They're all gristle. Jonathan, what kind of animal am
A dolphin.
I? I'm a seal.
I forgot.
What do
Sometimes I
seals-
perform tricks with balls. Mostly, I like to eat fish. So mostly, I'm kind of a fish whore. What you might call a fish whore. I'll do anything for fish. Do you have any fish? Check your pockets.
No.
No fish there? Alright, I'll be leaving you now. Meow. Meow. It's not a bobcat. Hey, kind of got a big bottom. My big bottom.
You got a short tail.
Baby, you got back. I'm a bobcat. Meow. Who do we have out here? You have Jonathan and his dad, Pierre. Meow. Do you have any fish?
Well, bobcats don't eat fish so much.
Guess we don't, but I have a hankering for some tuna right now. I like to eat other animals.
Kind of scary. Yeah.
You look kind of tasty, little boy.
Uh-oh.
Come a little closer.
Not.
Be a
Uh-oh.
pet. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Don't go up there, Jonathan.
Not.
Don't go.
Okay.
That cat is up to no good.
Uh-oh. One of my best friends is coming to see.
What is that? Jonathan, what is that?
Squirrel.
What's in his hand?
A ring.
A what?
What is this? Is this?
Are you sure?
Here.
A ring.
Looks more like an acorn.
It's a nut.
He's holding a nut. I think that's his snack. He's about to eat
Hey,
it.
where are you from, Jonathan? Yes, where are you from? Where are you from, Jonathan?
I'm from California.
California? California? Did you hear that, Bruce? Yes, I did. I did hear California. I don't really know where that is. I have some presents in California. Maybe you know them? Mr. Squirrel? Do you know Mr. Squirrel in California?
Yeah.
Do you know what California? Where do you live in California?
My house is a little far away somewhere.
Really?
Yeah.
Where in California is it? Is it in Southern California?
I don't know.
Is it in Sherman Oaks?
Yeah.
Is it in Sherman Oaks? That's so exciting, Squirrel.
Have you seen real squirrels before?
Oh, well, I'm a real squirrel.
You're actually a puppet.
Oh.
You forgot.
What is that?
I ran this photo away with my beaver talk.
Oh!
I'm looking for it. I'm just kidding.
You're not okay. What is that guy?
I
Is that
don't
a
know.
I think it's a koala.